Okay, so guys, this hair is the Kima Master top grade premium fiber moist capture. Um, and that's grade AAAAA. Okay, so I got this from my local beauty supply store, and it was only $19.99. And it is heat sensitive fiber, safe to up to 350 degrees, moist capture fiber. So yeah, so I this is my first time not using the Kima brand, but this is my first time getting this type of Kima hair. I seen it. I was looking for some, affordable, on the budget hair, for something quick, but also I didn't want the hairstyle to look quick, so nice as well. So this hair itself, I got it in the color 1, and it comes with 114, 2 18s, and here's the 18, and there's the other 18, 116, and a closure piece, the hand-tied closure, the circle one, and then the a J-bang. Now, I don't know if you guys can tell, but this hair is super duper soft. It's really soft. It's oh my God, I don't know. I've never felt synthetic hair other than the Freetress Equal tie bundle wave is like the first hair that I had with Freetress like a couple years ago, and I actually have a video about the Freetress Equal hair and everything I did a couple years back, the tie bundle wave. So if you guys are wanting to know about that type of hair or the Freetress brand bundle wave hair, you can go on to that video and see what that's about. But again, this is for the Kima Master. And look at this hair. Look at it. It is so, yeah, I'm not over exaggerating, guys. Like, this hair is so soft. Like, if I didn't know any better, I would have thought it was virgin hair, and I didn't have my share of virgin hair, guys. This hair is so soft, and only for $20 you get 4 bundles. Well, 3, because this can be, these two 18s could be like 1 bundle, but I'm gonna say 4. You get 4 bundles. This hair is so soft. They have different colors. They had a 99J. They had a 1B, a 2, a 4. They had different colors, and it's a 1-pack right here. See, I was excited to get it open, so I ripped it and everything. So this is a 1-pack. All is one pack, all you need. And again, you can't see the 14, but it's 14, 16, and 2 18s, and it is a yaki perm texture. My bad. It's a yaki perm texture, no tangle, shed free. And I actually talked to one of the girls at the beauty supply, and I asked, how good is this hair? And before I even asked her, I noticed this hair off jump. I noticed it, and it looked so soft in the package. Like, it looked like virgin hair in the package, and that's what really caught my eye to this hair. So when I asked her to get it down for me, I said, how is this hair? She was like, it's really soft. This is before I even touched it. She was like, it's really soft and it doesn't tangle. Like, she was like, this is really good hair. And I'm like, like, I already had a gut feeling this was good hair. That just made it even better. So I got in the car, and I had to go into the grocery store, and I left the hair in a bag, and my mom was in the car, and she was like, that's some really nice hair for that price. She was like, it's really soft. So I had to feel it and try it out for myself. Felt it, this hair is like butter. This hair is so soft. Look at it. Look at this hair, guys. Like, look at the ends. Like, this hair, I already know this hair is not going to be a problem for me. I know. And because it's yaki perm, guys, this hair is, now this is just my first impressions. Like, I haven't tried the hair on or nothing. So this is just going to be first impressions. I'm going to do an install, and I'm going to actually record that, how I do it. It's going to be a quick weave, and I'll have another video on that. So keep a lookout for the install of this hair. And I'm going to, more than likely install it tonight and have the video, probably 2 videos up in one day, or have this one up tomorrow, and then, which is Monday, Memorial's Day, and then the other video of my install up Tuesday. But I plan on doing all of this in one night. But guys, like, if you're looking for something affordable and it's nice, I wasn't expecting this for this price, guys. Like, I was at least thinking like $40, $50, even though it was synthetic, but $20, $19.99, and I kid you guys not. This is how, and how the hair looks on her, the texture, and everything is how the hair actually looks. Like, it looks like it's virgin hair on her. Like, this hair is beautiful. This might just be the hair that I just get from here on out, depending on how it goes. I like to keep my quick weaves in for about a good 3 weeks to a month. That's how long my quick weaves can last. With synthetic hair, depending on the type, I done had synthetic brands last for over a year. And yes, over a year, not exaggerating, just the process that I do with the hair to make the hair, like, you know, still look good. Like, it's not about being cheap, it's about, you know, I like the hair and I'm gonna make it look good. And that's how I feel with this hair. I feel like this hair is gonna be good. I feel like this, y'all, it's so soft. And like, again, it is the Kima Master top grade premium fiber moist capture. Oh my god, one pack do all 14, 16, 18, and 18. Y'all, this hair is so bomb. This hair is so bomb. Oh my god, excuse that. That's marker or candy, oh well. This hair is, I'm loving this hair. Like, I don't think y'all understand how much I'm feeling this hair. Like, so much. This hair is bomb. Look. Oh my god. So, I got a good feeling about this hair. I really do. Like, it's good. It's good hair. And then, like, the back. I'm sorry, I got the hair all over the place. But the back just shows you the sides of the hair. Look how good that look. That's how the hair actually looks. Top grade premium fiber moist capture. And it just tells you it's heat sensitive. Use electronic curling iron. Beyond compare. Oh my god, professional beautician's choice, quality guaranteed, amazing quality, resilient hair, most natural texture, no tangle, no shed. And actually, it is HARLEM 125 where styles began. So I guess, yeah, I'm guessing Kima is a brand of HARLEM. I don't know, because I know they had the Kima Classic. That's by HARLEM 125 as well, I do believe. Correct me if I'm wrong. But I guess this is like a rebooted version of the Kima hair. The Kima Classic hair. This hair is bomb. Like, already. And I normally can tell how a hair, you know, the type of hair, if it's synthetic or virgin, how it's going to last by first impressions. And people may be like, oh, no. For some reason, I have this keen touch and sense of, you know, knowing how it's going to end up with me with these types of hair. Synthetic, whether it's synthetic, raw, whatever it is. Like, I know. And with this hair, I just got a feeling that this hair is going to be so bomb. Like, y'all don't understand. Bomb. So, yeah, guys, I got it from my local beauty supply. Again, for $19.99. Prices may vary in other states and cities or whatever. But, yeah, I got it. It's the Perm Yaki. Color 1. Again, it's the one pack do all, the 14, 16, 18, and 18. And it's the Kima Master. That's all. That's it. And I hope you guys like this video and actually be looking out for my install video. I'm going to try to keep you guys updated as much as I can on, you know, this hair and how long I keep it in. So I'm going to try to do like an update like once a month, depending on how long I keep this hair. Honestly, I think this hair is going to last me a good, this probably going to be another synthetic hair that lasts me another good year or so, on and off. So yeah, I'm going to try to keep you guys updated. But yeah, this is my first impressions of the Kima Master. Again, my install video will be uploaded. And I hope you guys like and subscribe and continue to be on the lookout for more hair reviews from me.